Lord, my first submission is that, Lord, in the year 2016, as per the policy decisions of the government of Karnataka, we are permitted to establish Kendra within the premises of the government, my first submission. So now the policy has been changed, my lord. Now the state is intended to provide these medicine free of cost. My lord. So therefore, my lord, we only said in the government notification two things. My lord. Now the processing of the new application we have stopped by way of this notification. And the center which is already existed should continue till the completion of their tenure. Once it is completed, they should vacate the premises. And this notification is never intended to stop any of the Kendra outside the premises of the government hospital. We never disturb, we don't have a rights over that also, to disturb it. So only we said is that you have established the Kendra within the premises of our hospital. Please go out after the completion of the period. The relationship between the petitioner and the government is that just like a tenant and landlord. And even the
tenant and
landlord.
Oh, sorry.
But therefore, they are the lessee within the premises of the government hospital. Therefore, they don't have a perpetual right. Kindly mark this, they don't have a perpetual right to continue in the premises. That is my next submission. And even, the notification which is a mandate that, that period of the license is only for the period of 30 months. Once that period has been completed, as per this notification, 36 months, there should be a fresh renewal. They should give the permission from the government of. So therefore, see what we have intended, we never intended to ban the generic medicine. We only said, you go out of my premises after the completion of your period as understood in the memorandum of understanding. So therefore, the government notification which is impugned before is not intended to either interference with any of the policy decisions of the central government. We are promoting the medicine outside the premises of the government hospital, not within because now the policy of the state of we wanted to distribute these drugs with free of cost.
Now the policy of the government is to give everything free. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು ಮತ್ತೆ
ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ like that not. So therefore, my first submission is that the petitioner have no right to continue as a perpetual within the premises of the government hospital. And because of the establishment of the.
One ನಿಮಿಷ. Why did it begin at the premises of the government hospital?
Well, that was done in the year yes.
Why did it begin?
So initially it was done, in the year 2016 we have permitted to establish 205 Kendras within.
There is change in the government, there is change in policy.
2016 is same. 16 now, same government was there. Same government was there. Same government. The policy has not changed because of the change in the government, because of the problem we have faced in the implementation of the schemes. So therefore, my
ಈಗ ಒಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನು.
Medicine free of cost. So that is why this has been done. And
the list added to freebies.
ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡೋದು ನಮ್ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಸ್ ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ದವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಬೆನಿಫಿಟೆಡ್
ಯಾರು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟೆಡ್? Give it to the poor, sir, who are needy.
Yes, my lord. So therefore, my submission is that, I have produced it too, and there is a procedure for shifting also under the policies of the central government. There is nothing prevent them to shift the outside the premises. Even for we are not giving that we should immediately vacate it. As per we said we are given a breathing time to vacate them as per the memorandum. Once the tenure is completed, they can establish outside.
Where?
Anywhere, if they wanted.
First agreement ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಇದೇ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
That is only for, that is just like that is only for limited period. Even
ನೀವು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡ್ತಿರೋದು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ, ಜನೌಷಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್. ಅವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್.
ನಮ್ ಪ್ರಿಮೈಸಸ್ ನಮ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್.
ಜಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್? ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ.
Nam Jaga means I'm not telling that. it's
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
government-
ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್
Government property, my lord. Therefore, my lord, in the larger perspectives, my lord, the state is intended to distribute these medicine free of cost.
ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್?
So, yeah, government hospital.
ಇಂಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. Free of cost ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ sir. Even in this, even there free of cost ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರಿ.
ಹೌದು, dispensary ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. So therefore, my lord, they don't have, my only submission is that, my lord, this policy is never coming in the way of the central government scheme to implement it, my lord. It's only for limited period. Under the agreement itself, my lord, the rate is only existed for 36 months.
ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes
Please,
sir.
I asked myself only 3
You
questions.
please sir answer, don't ask yourself.
Please. Just 3 questions, my lord, which in my respectful submission would settle the issue. One, is it the stand of the state government, my lord, that a 120 square foot Janaushadhi Kendra is coming in the way of the almighty state from distributing for free? The answer is no, my.
Yes.
Is it their stand, my lord, that there is a
Correct, you are asking yourself and
And-
answering yourself. Good, yes.
second, my lord, it is not their case that there was a change in policy, my lord, prior to 2016 free ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. 2016 ಯಾವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅವಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದೆ, and ಇವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. There is an illusory change of policy. There is absolutely no change. It has always been the case that they're giving medicines for free. Now, the third issue, my lord, is it is in the event they're themselves giving medicines for free, can it be their case, my lord, that the persons who visit government hospitals, they're going to say, no, ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಜನೌಷಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ? That cannot be their case. Therefore, my lord, if their objective is to give medicines for free, it cannot be that I am coming in their way.
Objective is to object.
I am never coming in the way, my lord. This is not a mutually exclusive issue. Both of us are working towards public interest, my lord.
ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please.
ಜನೌಷಧಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರ right-
ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ
In the event, my lord, a legitimate expectation has to be frustrated. They must show overriding public
We are-
interest.
we legitimate-
Overriding public interest remains. my lord.
legitimate expectation
is protected. We are not evicting them immediately. Their interest is protected.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2028 ಗೆ evict ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು as per the, we entered the memorandum of understanding with them. When the tenure is completing, that time we are going to be evicting them.
ಈಗ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಾ?
My lord,
ಈಗ ಏನ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
notice?
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಜಾರಿ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ಸ್ಥಗಿತಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓ ಅದನ್ನ
ಈ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ,
There is an interim order.
ತಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಜಾರಿ ಆಗುವಂತೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿದೆ ಈಗ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್,
ನೋಡಿ,
ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Right to continue in the premises of the government journal. My lord, it is a relationship between the landlord and tenant. My lord. They are in the, even before establishment of the Kendra in the government hospital, they have to give the permission, their
ಈಗ,
agreement without agreement they can't.
ಗಂಗಾಧರ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಎಂಟಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರಾ? 120 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 12,000 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್, 1,20,000 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್, ನೋ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್, ನೋ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಪೇಯ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾಯ್ಕಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್. 120 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು
ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಜನೌಷಧಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಅವ್ರು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್
ಅವರು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು
50 to 80, 90%
scheme does
subsidized.
not envisage free of
Please.
cost also.
ನಾವು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ.
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
My lord remembers on the previous occasion, ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಈಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Therefore, my lord, my submission is that the policy is with the greater object to give the,
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಪಾಲಿಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್.
My lord, nothing changes, my lord. They can always distribute. I can continue to remain there. Doctrine of legitimate expectation need not be thrown in the dustbin simply because there is an illusory change.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಸರ್, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ.
Please.
Yes,
ಅಲೋಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್
I'm
please,
showing.
please.
We will not permit one wing of the government to tinker with the medicine that is being given to poor people, whether it is free of cost or a nominal price. ನಾಳೆ ಈಗ cancer drugs are not available, generic drugs. I have written everything in my order.
ನೋಡಿ.
Why this came about?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.
Why this came about? Medicines are so expensive otherwise they're selling it there.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ
ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್, ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಜನೌಷಧಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು
120 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಮಿಸಸ್
ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Evict ಮಾಡಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್
ನೀವು ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ 3rd ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ 3rd ಫ್ಲೋರ್. ಈಗ ಹಸುಗೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಅಂತ ಮೇಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಕಡೆ ವೆಟರ್ನರಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 2nd ಫ್ಲೋರ್ 3rd ಫ್ಲೋರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, suppose,
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೌಸ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
suppose, my lord, if the tenure of the
If you,
petition has been
if you
completed.
ask me to talk, there are many things.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
120 square feet ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಬೇಕಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅದಲ್ಲ. Suppose if the tenure of the 3 years is completed, then our permission is required. Suppose in the event if we not extended the permission, automatically central government will not extend their tenure.
Who is permitting you not to extend the permit, not to grant?
No, therefore, my lord, they cannot claim.
There
the
is no such
perpetuity, my lord.
restriction.
Their right over the public property or the government hospital, they can't claim the
I
perpetuity.
will straight away say, if you are not extending these Janaushadhi Kendras of 120 square feet, the state government is not acting in public interest. State is not interested in the welfare of the public. You are only interested in dislodging somebody who is doing welfare of the public. Because it is Pradhana Mantri's.
No, great respect, great respect, madam, great respect, my lord, it was started in the year 2016 itself. My lord.
Correct, sir?
No, it is not
Sir,
changed because of the change in the.
It had its genesis in 2008. 2008 to 2016, it was lying dormant. It was given life in 2016 by the government of India. ಅದೇನು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಔಷಧಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ತಲೆನೋವು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಾವೇ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ನಾವು ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದು.
120 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನ್
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಇದೆ.
150 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್.
Confusion for what?
We are giving it free of cost, they are paying this, at least charging some amount.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರೆಯಾ?
Yes, the order
ಎಂತ?
itself, the order itself says,
ಏನಂತ?
just because it's creating a confusion. and
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ
there is a-
confusion
there is-
ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ
no, no,
ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
No
ಅಲ್ಲ,
such mention.
ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ
No, no, no.
ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದು
ಹೌದು,
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ?
because of that, my lord, it has been issued. The preamble of the order says like that.
ಏನಂತ?
Because of the, yes, I will read the
It
preamble.
does not say so.
ಒಂದು
I will read the
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್,
preamble.
ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಯಾರು
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, it's creating.
ಇನ್ನೇನು? ಜನದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು
ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವೇ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು
ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರ್? ನಿಮಗ್ ಬಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? ಡಿಮಾಂಡ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ.
No, today other government departments are not paid salary. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಬದುಕದ್ ಬೇಡವಾ? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೋಗಿದೆ ದುಡ್ಡು. Should they not live? Should others not live?
Those are welfare measures, my lord.
What welfare measure? Welfare of somebody and welfare of others? What, sir? ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಂದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾಕೆ? ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lord, I have prepared a note
ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್?
to assist my lord.
ಕೊಡಿ.
He's served a copy on that. Very well. I am grateful.